If you're eating like a typical American, you're probably going to die prematurely. This year, more than 678,000 Americans will die from diseases or conditions associated with what they eat. These include common conditions such as high blood pressure, high blood sugar type 2 diabetes, and high cholesterol. Collectively, we'll spend more than $4 trillion on healthcare, 20% on diseases linked to unhealthy diet choices, according to one study. It's been estimated that we lose at least 13 years by eating a typical U.S. diet. This may not come as a shock when you consider that each year the average American consumes a total 264 pounds of beef, veal, pork, and chicken, 123 pounds of sugar and caloric sweeteners, including some 39 gallons of soda pop, 16 gallons of milk, and more than 40 pounds of cheese. Some of which tops our annual 46 slices of pizza. 70% of our calories come from processed foods, containing thousands of artificial food additives, many of them known to cause cancer. The American diet has long been scrutinized for its contribution to various health issues, including obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. However, emerging research suggests that certain modifications to this diet could potentially add years to your life, up to a decade, according to some studies. The key is not in abandoning the American diet entirely, but rather in making informed choices that incorporate healthy, nutrient-dense foods while reducing the intake of processed and sugary foods. Here's how adopting a modified American diet could add 10 years to your life. The American diet that could extend your lifespan draws significant inspiration from the Mediterranean diet, which is lauded for its heart-healthy benefits. This diet emphasizes whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Incorporating more of these elements into your daily meals can reduce the risk of chronic diseases that shorten lifespan, such as heart disease and type 2 diabetes. 1. Fruits and vegetables. The power of phytochemicals. Fruits and vegetables are rich in phytochemicals, which have antioxidant properties that protect the body's cells from damage. These foods are also high in fiber, which is essential for digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer, by neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation in the body. 2. Whole grains. Sustained energy and heart health. Whole grains, such as oats, brown rice, and whole wheat, are an essential part of this diet. They provide sustained energy, keep you feeling full longer, and are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Studies have shown that a diet high in whole grains can reduce the risk of heart disease, which is a leading cause of death in the United States. Additionally, whole grains help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. 3. Healthy fats. Omega-3 fatty acids. Healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, nuts, and seeds, are crucial for heart health and cognitive function. These fats help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Incorporating foods like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds into your diet can significantly improve your overall health and longevity. One of the significant changes in the modified American diet is the emphasis on plant-based proteins and lean meats over red and processed meats. 4. Plant-based proteins. Beans, lentils, and tofu. Plant-based proteins, such as beans, lentils, and tofu, are low in saturated fats and high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These foods are not only good for your heart, but also contribute to maintaining a healthy weight. Replacing some of your meat intake with plant-based proteins can lower the risk of chronic diseases and contribute to a longer, healthier life. 5. Lean meats. Chicken and fish. When you do eat meat, choosing lean options like chicken and fish is essential. These meats are lower in saturated fat compared to red and processed meats, which have been linked to higher risks of heart disease and cancer. Fish, in particular, is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which offer numerous health benefits. Reducing processed foods and sugars. A major culprit in the traditional American diet is the high intake of processed foods and added sugars. These foods contribute to obesity, diabetes, and other chronic diseases. 6. Cutting out processed foods. Processed foods are often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium. These ingredients contribute to a range of health issues, including high blood pressure, heart disease, and obesity. By reducing or eliminating processed foods from your diet, you can significantly reduce your risk of these conditions and improve your overall health. 7. Limiting added sugars. Added sugars are a significant contributor to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Sugary drinks, snacks, and desserts should be limited or avoided altogether. Instead, opt for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation. Reducing sugar intake not only helps with weight management but also decreases the risk of developing chronic diseases that can shorten lifespan. Incorporating superfoods, a nutrient boost. Superfoods are nutrient-dense foods that provide a significant health boost. Incorporating these into your diet can help you live a longer, healthier life. 8. Berries antioxidant powerhouses. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage. They are also low in calories and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for a healthy snack. The antioxidants in berries can help reduce the risk of cancer, heart disease, and other chronic conditions. 9. Nuts and seeds heart-healthy fats. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are excellent sources of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They help lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and improve heart health. Adding a handful of nuts or seeds to your daily diet can have a significant impact on your long-term health. 10. Leafy greens nutrient-dense and low in calories. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are also low in calories, making them an ideal food for weight management. The nutrients in leafy greens support overall health, including bone health, eye health, and immune function. Lifestyle changes to complement your diet. In addition to making dietary changes, certain lifestyle habits can further enhance the benefits of a healthy diet and contribute to a longer life. 11. Regular exercise. Regular physical activity is essential for maintaining a healthy weight, improving cardiovascular health, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. 12. Adequate sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for overall health and well-being. Poor sleep is linked to a higher risk of obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to allow your body to rest and recover. 13. Stress management. Chronic stress can take a toll on your health and contribute to various health problems, including heart disease and mental health disorders. Incorporating stress management techniques, such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises, can improve your overall well-being and help you live a longer, healthier life. By making simple yet impactful changes to the traditional American diet, you can significantly improve your health and increase your lifespan by up to 10 years. Focus on incorporating more whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, while reducing your intake of processed foods and added sugars. Complement these dietary changes with regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management techniques to achieve the best results. Remember, it's never too late to start making healthier choices that can add years to your life and improve your quality of living.